3 ways we can self-sabotage in relationships, part 2. Number 1 is avoiding vulnerability. Not allowing ourselves to open up and trust the other person prevents the relationship from becoming more intimate and deep. What does it mean to avoid vulnerability? It means not to express your emotions, express your needs, and express your boundaries in a relationship. Not to trust the other person enough. And why do we do that? Why do we avoid vulnerability? It's because of fear. Fear of vulnerability. What would happen if you're vulnerable? What would happen if you express your emotions and needs and boundaries and your creativity? What would happen? Maybe they would leave, maybe they'll reject you or abandon you or criticize you. So that fear is holding you back from being vulnerable. Number 2 is not being able to forgive. It's so important, even in a healthy relationship, to be able to forgive your partner and understand that they aren't perfect. They will make mistakes. Holding on to grudges and not forgiving your partner will create resentment and will not allow the relationship to move forward and to develop into a deeper relationship. And number 3 is self-destructive behavior, like addictions, for example, shopping addiction, food addiction, alcohol, smoking, drugs. All of that can lead to a destruction of your relationship. I'm hosting an online program called the 15 Days Relationship Challenge. This is the first session, how to stop self-sabotage in relationships. And we do breath work, EFT and hypnotherapy so we can heal the cause of it on a deep subconscious level. Join our community of Self-Love Circle. The link is in my bio and you can join us live or watch the replay, and I'm so excited to see you there.